swimming pool looked a bit nice.
You know what, private swimming pool is really nice, but I tell you what, I'm absolutely freezing there. We better.
Oh, welcome to the Fast Car Big Build in partnership with eBay.
Now in this episode, you've obviously been a busy boy while I've been away, ordering loads of stuff. I can see what we're fitting, but the viewers ain't gonna know, so what have you got?
Well, we've got a lovely pair of new seats for the car. The tyres are here, which means the wheels are here too, so looking forward to that. And in that little box is a little surprise for you.
Oh, a little surprise, always like a little surprise, that's good. And I haven't seen the wheels yet, so I'm looking forward to that.
Well, should we get on with it?
Yeah, let's get started. Now, fitting a set of seats is one of the all-time great DIY jobs. Now, you can do this at home, it's quite easy. First thing I always say is disconnect the battery first. Now, why do you do this? You don't want the airbags going off in your face. Apart from that, it's just a case of unbolting the 4 bolts or the sliders, taking them out, bolting in the new one. Now, there's a couple of things you want to remember when you're ordering your seats. 1, make sure they fit, and 2, make sure you order the subframes. Now, I'm hoping Jules has ordered ours. Jules?
Yeah?
Did you order the subframes as well as the seats?
These ones?
Oh, absolute legend.
Mate, I've been doing this long enough.
Let's get on with it. Right, the idea of disconnecting the battery is to stop the airbags going off in your face, and most of all, you don't really want the airbag light coming on either. So we disconnect it, and ideally disconnect it like the day before or the night before and leave it for a few hours at least, and this will help the charge, any residual charge in the system dissipate. Safety first.
Queen at the crib, got it looking like Freaknik. My flight by the head from the
Looks like I've ordered the right ones. Soon find out. So Midge,
Yep,
you've got 4 bolts. You normally have 2 at the back and 2 at the front.
that's right, unless it's a Volkswagen. Some of them have sliding things that you've got to take out with 1 bolt at the front. But
Yeah, this is a Honda.
yeah, I'm well aware. Thank you very much. Thanks for clarifying.
Do you want me to get on the other side?
Yeah, go for it. Give it a go. Now, once you've got the seats out, you need to get to the plugs underneath. Now, what you do is disconnect those, because that will disconnect the airbags or the electric seats or whatever you got before you can take the seat out of the car.
They just pop out.
This is meant to be the easy bit. Top tip, once you've got your seat out, give it all a nice little hoover, get to all the stuff you can't get to normally.
Right, so, moment of truth. See if I ordered the right ones. And by the looks of it, we're good to go. Obviously, getting the correct subframes in the first place saves a mountain of time, so make sure you do your research.
Now, the idea of having subframes is obviously seats are kind of universal, the car mounting points won't be, so it's basically like an adapter plate, a bit like your head unit, so you can fit any set of seats in any different car. Now, the reason it's important to go into the factory mounting points is because they're reinforced. Now, that's the reason why you can't just drill holes in the floor and stick a seat in. They're all reinforced, so in the event of an accident, it's solid. So next thing, if you're doing this job at home, what you're going to need is a resistor kit. And what this does is plug into the airbag loom and tricks the car into thinking there's still an airbag there, and that way it won't throw up your airbag light on the dash. Now, we haven't got one of those, but we're just going to code out the airbag light later, so it doesn't matter to us. But if you're doing it at home, get yourself a resistor kit. Right, they're in and all lined up, and now it's just time to get the bolts in and tighten them down. It's important to put the bolts in by hand first, so you don't end up cross-threading into the floor. And yeah, should be there. And then we can get on with the other side. So I've got to say, you've done a really good job picking them seats. I really like them. I might even buy a set myself for my truck.
They look OEM, didn't they?
They actually look really good, and yeah, I'm impressed. I wasn't sure when you were saying I'm going to take the original seats out, but I think they look really, really good. But more importantly, you're going to show me these wheels in. I haven't seen them yet.
Right, yeah, let's go and get them out of the box, and then let's test fit them.
Yeah, let's go. Right, You know I hate 3 spokes normally, but I've got to say these are amazing. Bit of old school vibe there.
They are. So we've got the nitrous, got the 3 spokes. Just need something else, don't we?
Old school.
You wait, got a little special box, haven't I?
Oh yeah, is there something good in that?
Yeah. Should we get these fitted up, just make sure they fit before we get the tyres on them?
Yeah, let's test fit them. Do you want to carefully, really carefully, pass me this posh wheel then?
Yeah.
Oh, scary.
Careful.
I don't like doing this, so let's get some nuts. Are we really putting these horrible old nuts on?
No, mate, of course not.
Got new nuts?
New nuts.
Oh, look at them.
Match the lips.
Woo.
It's like I even thought about that. Looks like perfect offset.
Yeah, I mean that's gonna fit really nice. Might even tuck in a little bit, maybe. Oh, I'm looking forward to getting this lowered now. Do you know what? Totally different to what I would have chosen myself, but I would have been wrong because they are spot on. That's really nice.
I'm really chuffed with that. You know, when like, the vision comes to light and you put them on, you think, yep.
Yeah, that is. I love it when the wheels go on. That's when you know, isn't it?
As we know, they fit. Looks like the offset's perfect. Everything's good. I might as well get the old tyres.
Yeah, you're going to get me some tyres, get them fitted?
I've got them somewhere, haven't I?
Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh, there you go. Look at the tread pattern as well. That'd go nice. That is
Premium rubber, that is.
yeah, and Japanese too.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And there you go, kids. Don't buy expensive wheels and put rubbish tyres on them. Well, it's been a busy day. Got the seats in, test fitted the wheels. So I better go and get some tyres on then.
Yeah.
And then I've got to shoot.
Before you go though, what's this old school surprise you had for me? It's not very big.
No, but it'll make a big difference.
Undercar lighting, LEDs. Yeah, old school. I can deal with that. I can deal with that.
Right, cool, mate. I've got to go. Really have.
Where are you going now?
I'm going on holiday.
What do you mean you're going on holiday?
I've got to go on holiday.
There's loads to do on this car, yeah?
I know, but that's down to you, mate. I've sorted the nitrous out.
Oh, brilliant. So, he's got his own back. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell, and we'll see you for the next one, which is the big reveal.